Hi everybody, welcome to Penny P's World. Anywho, today I just wanted to speak on some of the things when it comes to cleaning in general, like cleaning homes, cleaning my home, cleaning other people's homes. And I've noticed since I've started cleaning other people's homes that although I make a mess at home, it's actually not that bad. Like, there are people out there that really, really, really don't know how to clean, or they choose not to clean at all. Okay? Don't get me wrong, I'm not here to be judgmental or anything, but I am judgmental, okay? It's hard not to be. But listen, hey, there are people out there that are going through a lot, who are going through stress, who are going through a lot of like emotional trauma, and it's not seen because they're afraid to speak about it. But just by the way that they live, you can tell that these people must be going through some serious mental health, okay? Um, I don't think that I'm OCD, but since I've been working in cleaning people's homes, I realized that, like, bro, there is a lot of people who do not have great hygiene. And, like, this shit opened my mind to a lot of things that are going on with people at this moment. Or maybe it's been going on and I just didn't see it, but now I see it. Um, but yes, as I said, I wanted to make this video just to touch on some of the things as a cleaner that I've noticed has been very helpful. So, if you are starting a cleaning business or want to try doing a cleaning business and you like being clean, you like organization, I'm telling you, once you start this business, you're going to see a lot of shit that you didn't even realize that you're going to see, or you didn't even realize that people lived certain type of ways, and it's just going to be shocking. Okay, I'm letting you know from now, and just to prep you, because I didn't, once I started this business, I didn't expect to be seeing all of this shit. Okay, I did not. I knew it was gonna be like a lot, but I didn't think it was gonna be like that. Especially when, you know what kills me the most, seeing people who are you honestly see them and you're like, you have hands, you have feet, you have a brain, you have a head top. You don't see the dirt that you're living in. You don't see the disgusting shit that you're living in. Don't get me wrong. All that, we're human. All that shit is gonna come into your head, and you're gonna be like, yeah, what's wrong with these people? Why are they like this? You know? Especially for me, coming from a home where it's just like cleaning was mandatory, but it's just like because we didn't have a lot, we had to make it seem like we still lived in a nice, clean home environment. You know what I mean? We didn't have any as much money, but we still always managed to clean our homes because yes, a clean home does breed positive energy, peace, and strength, and all that great stuff. And if you live in a dirty home, yes, it will breed negativity. It will breed toxicity. It will breed um, just all the negative things. You know what I mean? And it does bring in negative energy within the home. I believe that 100%. But anyways, enough about that. I just want to just say that for those people who are suffering from mental health, any type of issues, please go see a psychiatrist or somebody, a therapist, because, honey, trust me, once you start taking care of yourself and you start seeing your self worth, life will start to change, okay? And start taking care of yourself. Cleaning your home is not even about having people over or whatever. Cleaning your home is about being in peace. When you come home every day, it's just like being home is your comfort, is your peace. It's like, don't you smell the fresh air? Don't you smell the cleanliness? Don't you just feel more relaxed when you're just like, you know, in that space, and you know you feel like you're on vacation? Because being in a clean home really does feel like a vacation. Organizing your home feels like a vacation. When you come home to a clean, different room, it feels like a different space, a different energy. And hey, you might not even have to leave that space because it's just always clean. It's always organized. It's always just fresh, you know? But for those people who don't know how to clean, get yourself a cleaner. And if you're going to get yourself a cleaner, you know what helps us cleaners? Having the cleaner there consistently, at least once a week. If you're not going to clean, have the cleaner be there at least once a week. Please. That would help us the most. Don't call a cleaner every month if you're not going to clean your home. It's just not, it's not fun for us. It's not. So that's just You know, something I just want to put out there for people that want to hire cleaners. You know, if you're not going to do it, hire somebody that's going to do it weekly, please. Thank you. Anywho, um, yeah, I totally lost track. But my purpose of my video was just to talk about that because I really needed to speak, okay? I wanted to talk about that and I wanted to talk to my cleaners especially. Trust me, when you're a cleaner and you're a first cleaner, I want to let you know that when you step into those homes, just expect that, like, don't have any expectations. Don't just go in with the motivation that you like to clean, you like to organize, you like to keep things structured. Go in with that energy. And when you start cleaning, what I usually do is I start with the kitchen. These are some quick tips that I want to give you guys. So I start with the kitchen because I know the kitchen is one of the top places that usually carries mess and nastiness and mold. The kitchen and the bathroom are my top places to always get. The living room, bedrooms, everything else could be like um done at the end, right? So if you have like a schedule of, like, say you work, the person paid you for 3 hours, right? Or for 3 to 4 hours, the best thing I would suggest for you to do is to start with the kitchen and the bathroom because those are the most important things. So as I see people's kitchens, I notice that a lot of the times it can be very a lot of dishes are everywhere and just a whole mess. But always start with the sink, okay? Always start with cleaning the sink. Once you wash the dishes, that's the best thing you can ever do for yourself. So wash the dishes. Once you're done washing the dishes, you clean out the sink. Then you also, the best thing to do to move on to is move on to, like, organizing the kitchen. So, like, that's tables, taking away things from the cabinet, wiping down the surface and putting it back. Wiping down the surface, putting things back on the shelf. Wiping down the surface of the cabinets and putting them all back. That's what you do, okay? Sorry, that's my computer. So wiping off the surfaces and putting things back. Also, I suggest that, like, when you're doing that, um, once all that stuff is clean off the table, you wipe off surfaces, put them back, but organize it the way you want it so it looks nice and fancy, okay? And when you're done that, you're just gonna clean off the cupboards and move on to your next station, which is the bathroom. So I like to go to the bathroom. So once I'm trying to help you guys to find ways and skills to easily calm down that anxiety once you step into that home, because I know how it can be. Take a deep breath, because I know how it can be. And you see all of that and you're like, wow. Don't judge. Just, you're there to do your job. And you can give people advice later and be like, you know what? Can you please, like, if you're going to continue to do this, I would suggest you call me every week, and I would love to build that relationship into building that clean home environment. You can do that. You can take on that option too, to speaking to your client after, you know what I mean? Like, I'll be happily able to, like, help you clean your house once a week, you know, and then give them that bonding connection and relationship, because people's homes are like their temple, their harmony, their peace place, their place to hide, to connect, you know? So it's like, once you welcome somebody into your home, you want to have that peaceful connection with them, to know that you can trust them and that you're not here to judge them, but you're here to make them have as much peace as possible, right? But yes, so anyway, so next thing is that I would also continue to move on to the washroom, right? As you know, the washroom is one of the filthiest places, right? So washrooms are quick though. When you really think about it, it's very fast, right? So you want to make sure you, every time you're cleaning, wear your gloves. Wear your gloves, okay? Your gloves and your mask all the time. Okay? It's a pandemic and it's not clean in general. You should just be wearing gloves and mask all the time. So when you're going to the washroom, I would suggest, when you're cleaning the tub, this is what I do. I just spray the cleaning stuff all over the tub. And you can even do this before you enter the home, like put all the cleaning tub chemicals in before you start in the kitchen. That's what I do sometimes, or like, so then it marinates into the sink, the tubs, all that stuff. Keep that in there, and then when you're done in the kitchen, you can move into the washroom. So when you're in the washroom, you can start scrubbing the tub or whatever. I like to scrub the tub because it's easier. I know you can get some sprays where you just put it on the tub and it melts away. I've heard of that, but please, if you have any advice, show me. Let me know so I can start doing that. Okay. But yeah, like I like to use cleaning products. I like to use Vim for everything in the washroom because it honestly does the shit. Um, I hope Vim pays me for advertising them. But anywho, yeah, I like to start from there, and I like to use the sink too. The oh god, girl, boy, let me tell you. People, let's not even talk about people and their sinks, their washing habits, because girl, boy, I've seen it all. Okay, and I'm just learning to leave it alone because I'm gonna clean it at the end of the day. So the washroom can be a scary place sometimes, but honestly, just do your best. Just do it. And when you do that for people, make sure they stay consistent. Try your best to keep your customer consistent to you weekly because then you won't have to experience those situations again. And when you have a consistent client that sees you cleaning their home all the time, they're going to feel like you saved me. Trust me. So try to build that relationship so you don't have to deal with homes as such again. Okay? There needs to be a lot of us people cleaners out there because honestly, we're God sent from heaven. Okay? We're caretakers. Okay, trust me. You're not doing your work for nothing. You're doing your work because you're a gift to the world. You're a gift to the world. Like what you do is not a lot of people can do, and that's what makes it your gift to make people's home feel like a peaceful place to be, right? So doing that, cleaning. So then I use the washroom. Start from the sink, the toilet. Once you're done doing all the appliances, even do a little one too. Like even cleaning the garbage top helps. You know if they have a little garbage, like those little things show, right? And then lastly, when you're done, remove everything from the ground on the floor from the kitchen. Wipe everything down, then put them all back. Kitchen clean. Washroom clean. Washroom done. Now we go to the living room. Okay, bedrooms are last. Because who gives a fuck, right? People are always going to clean their bedroom because when they grew up as a child, the bedroom was always, majority of the time, the place where parents are like, you need to clean your room, clean your room, clean your room. So humans just naturally tend to just clean their room, right? Or fold their clothes because they know they're going to have to wear their clothes. They know they're going to have to sleep into the room, right? So I always, like majority of the time, I'm not saying all the time, but majority of the time, people will clean the room, right? So I would say for the living room, vacuum, as you say, vacuum, mop, clean, dust, depending on the place, like even by the TV, always make sure you use that duster because that helps too, right? It makes your job easier. But just always wipe and clean, wipe and sweep, wipe and sweep, wipe and sweep, and then vacuum couches or whatever, vacuum carpets, and like dust. When you're done all of that, make sure you use that fluffer thingy to dust. Trust me, that shit helps, eh? Let me tell you, it does help. So organizing, but a lot of times these people don't even pay you enough to be organizing their stuff. So just put them in a way where it's just like it looks like it's clean. Bunch of papers on the table, just put it all together because at the end of the day, that person be throwing that paper on that table all the time. So just put it together in one section so you can put it back. They'll deal with that later. That's not your business. Unless they're paying you to do that, then do it. But or if you have more time on your hands, do it. But don't do it if you don't have to. Clean the space that is going to make a difference. So make it seem like it's been clean. Make it look organized. Make it look put together. Do a little thing, something special. When you're done cleaning the little table in front of the TV, put the remotes together. Make it look clean. Put the flower in the corner. I don't know. Make it look pretty than what it was before. People will see it. People will notice and be like, damn, this person is organized. They know what they're doing. I should call them again. So yeah, that's my tips and tricks on how to clean a home. Just experiences, and I just want you guys to feel comfortable when cleaning a home. We're a gift to the world. People who love to clean are a gift to the world, and I want to let you know that because on YouTube, I try to find things online about like how to clean people's homes. And a lot of things seem like, oh, how to clean my home, how to do this. No, how about you cleaning other people's home? what are the steps you need to take? What do you need to do? What are the things you're going to experience? And I'm speaking from a first time home cleaner, and these are the things that I just want to let you guys know before getting into the cleaning business, what you're going to experience. And I just want you to know that you're doing something great for the world. You know what I mean? You're cleaning, you're getting results, you're getting rapid results. That feeds my soul, seeing like my work pay out for itself and seeing people happy and realizing, oh my God, I'm in a beautiful home. My home can be like everyone else's. It can be clean. It can be this. Because dirty homes is mental health. You know, some people don't even realize that their home is dirty because they're just sitting in the a place, but they matter too. And us cleaners are the gift to the world. So keep it up. You're doing amazing. You're gonna love it. Trust me, and it's gonna be worth it. And the tips are gonna be amazing. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Peace.